Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Smoke and Mirrors from the 20th to the 24th of October 2025 on Monday. Jason introduces Zolethu to the depot workers, but Zolethu blindsides him by announcing a wage increase and suggesting Jason sell his new supercar on Tuesday. Jason fumes when Zolethu promises the workers a wage increase. Petunia confronts Phakathi about his violent tactics during the strike and is shocked to learn Zolethu is now a partner at the depot on Wednesday. Zolethu take over of the depot backfires when Jason cancelled their deal after feeling disrespected. Despite groveling and bleeding, Mamiki failed to win back Magolide on Thursday. Zolethu rallies the workers against Jason, accusing him of blocking their wage increase. Songanga and Pinky sit and Mamiki and Magolide down to remind them that the inhlawulo must take place on Friday. The depot workers protested at the hotel demanding a high wage and Zolethu's reinstatement. Mother takes Kayise for a massage to ease her stress. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.